Hi, Brittany. I really liked your tight logo. Let me see here if I can find it easy. All right. This looks great. Sharp. I like how you made your name nice and big and put design under it. It's very clean. And the concept of tally makes sense to me like this. This was the only area that I had a little bit of problem with. I love the font you chose. I like how it's very simple. I also like how you elegantly put your name. However, if you really do have a tally design, you should have a matching email. This school email doesn't look professional. Other than that, I think these interfere with that contemporary sans serif. It makes it a little bit hard to read. So consider instead reducing the color down quite a bit, just so that the artwork is easier to read, or um, think about using a heavier version of this font if you have it. This looks nice. The only thing I hesitate to say is consider using very thin lines to match what you have in the logo. Also, you want to put tally design sort of on a stage. So I would move your address information down quite a bit, and you could really make it smaller. You always want to think of any logos you design on a stage. That's why you do that standards guide where you say nothing can be 5 centimeters into it, that sort of thing. Anyway, I thought your letterhead was great. It's a beautiful design. The only thing I noticed is that you need to align. Ugh, this screen viewer will make me crazy someday. You need to align these. So go if you're working in Illustrator, go to Window, Align, select them all, and align the tops just for a tight look. Anyway, that's all I had to say. Nice work.